Hey guys, Tom E here, and let's get into the method itself. I'm going to give you a overview here so you know exactly what you're getting yourself into. All right, so it's called Arbitrage Alchemist, as you know, and this is the actual software. Now, this is the basic version. For those of you who have the pro version, the main difference is that everything will look green on the background here, and it'll have a lot more functions in it and a lot more functionality. But you can still use this to see the overview. So while I'm doing this, I'm going to explain what I'm doing in a second. I'm going to punch in SEO. I'm going to do a search. Now, this is how it works. This site, when you open it up, has a site called SEO Clerks on this side, and then it has a site called Fiverr.com on this side. Now, what it does is, here, I'm going to do the search here too. What it does is, on this side, it finds jobs that people are offering for $1. I mean, services. So these are SEO services. For instance, get your video on YouTube ranked higher, stuff like that. And unbelievably, they do quality work for as little as $1. And our software sniffs it out by price, and you can sort it by all these things. And you can see here, it's got the title, it's got the price, the seller, tells you how many positive ratings they have, so it actually pre-qualifies them for you. And as you can see here, it sorts it by price. It can sort by seller, by how many reviews they have, all that stuff. So let's say that you go in here, and you're going to get a more in-depth tutorial from Chad, so I'm not going to go too much into the functionality of the software, but you basically go in here and you would reply to this ad, and you would buy that job for $1. Then over here on the Fiverr side, if there are no people over here that are selling this kind of service for less than, say, $30, you could just undercut everyone and sell it for $20. We're going to train you and show you how to set up shop on Fiverr as a Fiverr seller and resell these $1, sometimes $5 services for a much, much higher price. Bobby, our partner, has been doing this for a long time, and he's making thousands and thousands of thousands. It's very underexploited. Not a lot of people know about it, so it's still wide open territory, and it will be for a long time to come. All right. Now the other function is method B. So if we click on method B here, it'll ask you, are you sure? Because you'll lose your search results sometimes not. We click yes, and here we go, and it's a whole different thing. So on this side, I'm going to choose California here, and I'm going to type in the word logo here, so the software can start searching while I'm talking. Now, this software, what it does is Craigslist, as you know, is a classified site. People who are looking for services, but who can't afford to use professionals to do it, will post ads here. For instance, a guy is looking to pay, say, $300 to get a logo made for his company, but he can't afford the $5,000 it would cost a graphic agency, so he puts the ad there. We're going to train you on how to contact that person and get that job, and then we go over here and we do a search on logo, and you get people over here who are doing that service for $5. So you would cash in the difference in the middle. And just like with the Fiverr side, you double click on each side here. You can double click on the ads and reply. So that is the two different methods. That is the overview. So again, hang on one second here, canceling, and we're going to switch back to SEO Clerks. Once again, SEO Clerks, you buy stuff for $1 and you sell it on Fiverr for a lot more, sometimes for $5, sometimes $10, sometimes as much as $50 to $100. And the other side, Craigslist, you do sort of the opposite. So you bid on services that people who want a logo made, or they want a video made, or they want whatever it is that they want made, and then you find sellers on Fiverr. So these are two methods. Now, a lot of people have made tons of money. They have made careers on the Craigslist Fiverr function, and they still are. I still am in regular contact with people who are making thousands and thousands per month doing that. So if you want to do that, wonderful. If you want to do the SEO Clerks to Fiverr method, wonderful too. If you want to do both methods and double up on your profits, even better. But that is the method, guys. So go ahead and click on to the next video, and we'll get started on your training.